Welcome to a Systems for Dentists training video. My name is Graham, and in this session we'll look at how to do a Denplan Previsor Patient Assessment, or DEPPA, in SfD. Before we attempt this, we must make sure that our user is set up correctly. To do so, we'll go to the tooth in the top left hand corner of the screen, choose the option for Setup, and from the System list, choose Users. We will then select our user and choose to edit, and within their record, you will see a DEPPA section. We've already entered the username, and so we just need to make sure that we've entered both passwords. One can be entered from the key button, and the other is entered by selecting the apple. With our DEPPA account set up, we can return to our patient, and then open their course of treatment. The DEPPA button is available at the top of any private course of treatment. Before we press this, we must make sure that we've completed both an assessment and a BPE. We will select the assessment, and complete each of the questions by selecting from the drop-down menus. We then move to the BPE and do the same. When it's complete, we select Save, and now we're able to access our DEPPA. The system is clever enough to fill in some of the answers for you. If you feel you need to change them, you can do so by selecting the drop-down menu. Some of the information from the BPE has been brought through, such as the bleeding. However, you will need to complete others. I will fill in the deepest pocket per sexton, and then complete the X-ray distance from CEJ to bone crest. Now I can scroll to the bottom and complete the rest of this assessment. When it is complete, I will choose the option to submit. This sends the information off to Denplan, and it will return the completed assessment. It contains the patient's details, as well as a breakdown of their score, and advice for each of the risks outlined in the assessment. Thank you for watching. For more videos and FAQs, please see our website. For any other questions or support requests, don't hesitate to call.